Hi, it's Ronnie and welcome to my channel. Today's layout I did at the Secret Not Secret Kit Club party, and it was a team one, and so it was grab 5, Nouveau drops, 3 pattern paper, 3 colors of mixed media, gold and hearts. We each got to pick an item. And I'm going to scrap this picture of my daughter. It was the day she found out the day she got her bifocals. And she posted this picture on Facebook. I knew she was going to get the bifocals because she was upset about it and telling me about it. But I didn't know she was going to post a picture on Facebook. So, of course, I had to take it so I could scrap it. The title's going to be what she put on Facebook because it's going to go in her album. So it says, "Today I am this old, bifocal old." And I'm using Pink Fresh Blah collection. I thought it'd be great for this picture. And the 3 pattern papers, as you can see there, one's kind of a bluish one, kind of bluish gray with little white polka dots. Another one's a grid. And another one, the one in the back, has little tiny gray squares all over it. And I'm also going to use some black cardstock. This punch here, I got it at Hobby Lobby, and it punches holes in the top. And because it does that pattern and punches the holes in the top, I can't just make a bigger black one, even though like I went up 1/2 inch. I have to line the holes up. So the black's just going to go along the side and accent it on the side. And I got this idea from Dorothy on Scrapbooking Quebec. She's been doing it lately. She got her a Stampin' Up! Punch. Now, see, if they'd came out with the Stampin' Up! Punch before I got this one, I'd have to get that one. But I'm going to try to make do with this one. Anyway, she's been making these long tags. Oh, that just looks so good. I'm going to have to try it. So, this came from Dorothy, Scrapbooking Quebec, and I'll try to remember to leave a link down there below for her channel. But I'm sure you're all subscribed to her anyway. And like I said, I'm going to make 3 of these, and 2 are the grid, and one's the grayish blue polka dot one. And see, that's how I plan on putting them. But I do have a stencil that I want to use on them first. This string here, I think it's embroidery thread, I think. I'm not sure. I can't remember. It's on a roll. It's not 6 strands. It's only the one strand, but I think that's what it said when I bought it. Because my tags being so long, they're right there at the top of my paper. So I didn't want the strings just sticking out. So I'm going to do what Becky Bitting calls loop-de-loops in the holes. I'm going to go over and over in there. But of course she's using twine when she does it, so it looks a little bit thicker when she gets done than mine will. Because yeah, it's just thread. I don't know why it said embroidery thread when I bought it though. I think crochet thread would have been heavier than this is. But yeah, I'm going to put it in all 3, and then I'm looping it around and around so it looks like it's stitched there, and then tying them in a knot. And here I'm pulling out the 3 mixed media things that I'm going to use, and they're all 3 sprays, and I'm just going to sprinkle them. And it's gold. And then this one that's Lindy's, and it's a peach colored one. And then I'm going to do black, and the black is Heidi Swap. And I'm going to use black with the stencil, and that's a Tim Holtz stencil, and I got a long time ago. And it's we call it one of those eye test things with the letters getting smaller and smaller as you're looking at it. And I got it for my grandson's picture. He had got him some glasses, and he was not happy that his mama wanted to take his picture and put it on Facebook. But he let her do it, but you could tell he was not happy. But I got it for his, so I haven't got to use it too much. I think this is actually the 3rd time I've gotten to use it. I guess I could just put it on a page because I want to, not because somebody got glasses. But I wanted that one to stick up higher, so I stenciled it up towards the top, and then the other two are down lower. And the picture is going to cover most of the other two up and the whole bottom of the blue one. But that's all right. I just wanted to kind of peek out. My title's going to take up most of the space. And there's all the ephemera for this. And yeah, I thought I better get the basket out because I usually have it all over the place, but I put that basket over there so maybe I can remember to put stuff in it rather than have it all over the place while I'm doing my layout. It looks like a tornado's gone through here by the time I get done with my layout. My space is pretty small, and I see where my camera has slid down yet again. Up there on that upper left, if you're wondering what that is, that's my layering pieces. It's one of those stationary things, and I've just got it full of doilies and die cuts and different things that I want to layer on pages. And the purple thing is actually one of those trays for little kids to eat with, but I'm using it for like a shelf. Let's see. That little puffy sticker says, "Oh geez." And then the other one says, "Feelings, all the feelings." And of course you can read the real life because it's pretty big. Those letters that I'm putting on here now, the smaller one, I've got two sets that are really close to being the same thing. They look a little bit different from each other, and I just use whatever letter I can to make the words. And they may not match perfectly, but I use them anyway. And then the bifocal old, I wanted it bigger, so I got a different font out for it. That peach looking puffy sticker that I put up there just now is just 3 exclamation points. And it says relax right above it, but then I put the exclamation points. My heart, it's black with gold on it, so I've got gold again. I figured I better have another thing that's gold since it said gold as a separate thing from the 3 mixed media things. So yeah, that heart has gold on it, and then the peach one that's down there by the real life has gold on it too. I put the noodle drops on there, and Amy was not the one who picked the noodle drops. I was surprised. I was expecting them to be on there, but I expected her to put it. And this one, this little card that I put in just now is comfortable in chaos. And it may not actually go with this, but I know she is kind of stressed out over it. So, a little bit. It's kind of stretching it, but a little bit. I did back it in black, and I'm backing the feelings, all the feelings. I'm backing it in black too. And I think that's it. I think I'm done with my layout when I get that on there. If you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you who already are, thank you so much. But there's my eye chart. That's what it's called. I was trying to think of the name. The eye chart from the stencil. And of course, I've got my Nouveau drops on there. They didn't turn out very well. If I don't have to put them on there, I don't put them on there hardly. That's probably why they're not turning out very well. They're getting older and older. They do not age well. I keep telling myself if I practice, I'll get better. But so far, that hasn't worked. But thank y'all so much for watching. Have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.